Hey, it's Vanessa Hardy from Long and Foster, and I have been doing a few videos on custom home building in Arlington. This also applies in the city of Falls Church. I wanted to take a step back here. Now, I've got a lot for sale in Arlington right now, and that lot is completely vacant, ready for someone who wants to do a full custom build. But of course, not everyone wants to do a full, complete ground up custom build. So I thought we would take a step back from a full custom build and take a look at what someone could do if you're interested in doing a gut renovation. If you were going to take a house in Arlington or Falls Church, there are plenty of these small brick colonials. They're very small, phenomenal locations, but the homes have small kitchens, small closets, small bathrooms. So, of course, for a lot of people, they love the location, but the homes are just too small for their family and their needs. So, what if you could take one of those standard Arlington colonials and turn it into something like this? I had a client a few years ago who bought typical standard colonial, and he just blew that place up and made a phenomenal home out of it. So I thought I'd just walk you through this house and talk a little bit about what this buyer did. And actually, this is really something you could do in Arlington, in the city of Falls Church, in some parts of Alexandria, where you can find homes just like this, like I said, in phenomenal locations, but maybe the condition and the size of the bedrooms and such just don't work. So let me take you through this house and we can talk a little bit more about it. All right, let's go in. So as you're looking at this, one of the main points I want to make is this home um, was built on the original foundation, the existing foundation from that original brick Arlington colonial. What remains is original foundation and some of the original walls, but everything you're seeing right here is absolutely new construction. So some of the original exterior walls remain and the original foundation, and that really helps to speed construction in Arlington. But then there's a large addition on the home, and what you're looking at right now is part of that new addition. So there was an extra level added to the home, and you can see here on the back that is all new construction. So you can't do this with your standard renovation loan, but you can use a standard renovation loan to put on an addition. And of course, you can renovate kitchens and bathrooms and really open up the house um, and really just transform what would be a small standard colonial into something really special. Of course, if you wanted to do this, you would need construction to permanent financing, because that kind of financing would allow you to do a tear down and a complete renovation, almost a complete new build of a property. If this looks like something you'd like to do, definitely please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you to find the right property for gut renovation for the project that you have in mind. And the next video I do is going to be on how to pick a builder. That is crucial. It's like everything, because if you pick the wrong builder, everything goes downhill after that. So next one will be how to find the right builder for your project. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be happy to be a resource. I'm Vanessa Hardy at Long and Foster, and I help buyers, sellers, builders, and investors to navigate complex transactions just like this. Thanks.